I've missed my curls, y'all. I really have. I really hope I ain't got no heat damage. I really hope I don't. Because if I do, I might cry. See this little piece right there? You're gonna have to curl back up. You heard me? You heard me, curl? You have to curl back up. Okay? Okay. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Errol. Well, thank you for choosing me to watch, okay? And today is a hair video and we're gonna be seeing if my straight hair goes back to curly because I am 100% natural. Okay, now let's get into this. I'm gonna split my hair down the middle and then go from there, okay? Okay guys, I'm going to use my water in a spray bottle and some aloe vera gel because aloe vera gel is very soothing, healing, cleansing, all that stuff, and it's wet. So we all know natural hair reverts when it's wet, so we're gonna give this a try. This is actually my first time getting my natural hair silk pressed. We gonna see how this going to work. Ow. I got it silk pressed on December 23rd. It is now January 8th. And so my hair held up pretty good. As we can see, like it's pretty good. It's just dirty. I'm just making sure it's all brushed out. I probably should get some conditioning cream to put on it along with the aloe vera gel before I wash it out. But we're gonna see. Okay. Going in with the aloe vera gel just to cleanse my scalp before I go in with some shampoo. It can be used as a pre-shampoo treatment. I just wanted to give it a try just to help with the cleaning. Oh, it's dripping down my shirt. And I got this big ass pimple right here. I'm like, what's going on? I see my ends curling. That's a good sign. Well, that's a really good sign. Okay, we're gonna keep going. Oh, you want to know the brand? It's Nature Sense aloe vera gel. Got it from Amazon. The link will be in the descriptions. Oh look, it's curling back up. Oh. Okay, it's coming back, it's coming back. Let's get an agreement here. All y'all go curl back up. You feel me? All y'all gonna get back in formation. All y'all. Right. And for those wondering, I do have 4C hair. Straight nigga head right here. Look at this. You see this? Already like you. Shrinkage, man. And it's gonna be even shorter when I go wash it. Y'all gonna see. The lady who did my hair was like, oh, your curls might be looser. I'm like, what you mean? Like, I don't like my curls already. I love my curls. This was the first time I got my hair straightened since I went natural, which was 3.5 years ago. I went natural in the summer of 2014. Let me go ahead, wet this bitch up. Gotta let it eat up the water right quick. Takes about 5 minutes. I'll wait. Is it reverting yet? No. Okay. And just like that, my straight hair is gone. So let me put this into 2 scrunches. Can y'all see the texture coming back? Can y'all see it? There's some pieces that don't want to come back, but you're gonna come back. You feel me? You're gonna come back. You're gonna come back. Got some dirt. Okay, time to go. Alright, I'm back. Don't mind these spots right here. It's just some tea tree oil on my face because your girl breaking out. My whole face gonna look ashy by the end of this video. But I just got out the shower, shampooed and conditioned my hair. I think there's still some conditioner in it. Yeah. But yeah, my curls have come back. I know you wanted me to do a deep condition, but I'm tender-headed and I had to detangle my hair. So deep conditioner going to be probably later. Okay. If you want to see a video of me deep conditioning my hair, then I will surely do that. Drench my whole hair in it because why not? It's been straight for 3 weeks. It needs some help. Alright you guys, I'm back. I put on a different shirt so I won't look naked. Thank you guys for watching me revert my hair from straight to curly. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you feel as if I did a good job, then like and comment on this video, and I will love to hear what you have to say about my hair, about your natural hair, all of that. Yeah. So without further ado, I'm out this bitch, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.